Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So it looks like INDP had a major breakout today from pre-market, jumping up over 250% on that breakout. Again, we did alert this one in the Instables room. I'm going to go over exactly how this one played out today and what exactly we could be expecting to happen next. And I'll ask in return as you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over INDP with you guys. I'm going to go over something different on this chart. I'm going to go over exactly how this one played out today. This one had a major spike today and then did consolidate and then gave us that confirmation on that second move up. I'm going to show you guys exactly what gave us that confirmation on that move and exactly what we could be expecting next. But however, before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned INDP from pre-market on the news they had at $8.50, jumping up to $28.50 on the day, up over 250% on that breakout. We mentioned IRNT breaking into new highs going 6 extended hours, jumping up over $42 after that breakout, up over 20% on that breakout. And also we mentioned APRN halted at $3.85 on pending news, had that major breakout testing $6 going 6 extended hours. Looking to see if we can continue there as well. I'm going to go over that video in the next video as well if you guys want to see what might happen there. So if you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert for today again. So again, here on INDP, as you guys can see, we have been continuing on up. I want to go over exactly what gave us that confirmation on that momentum to give us that second push here. And again, this is very key in my opinion to have continuations in the future with many other stocks. Again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I would be doing. As you guys can see in the middle of the day, again, we did have that major breakout. We had our cool off. We came back down. You guys can see we got some sell pressure. But if we did keep an eye on this one, as you guys can see, we got that decrease in sell pressure. And we had the EMA lines barely come down below the MACD, but also crossed back up, showing us that we may continue. And as you guys can see, we got that confirmation on that momentum when we broke above our previous buy pressure points, which gave us that momentum on that second push. But again, knowing that we were a little overextended in my opinion based on the buy pressure that we did have, not breaking above our previous buy pressure point that we'd had on our original spike, showing us that we may have a possible cool down from there. And then we did have that cool down on this buy pressure decreasing here on that white shaded line. You guys can see we had that decrease in buy pressure, showing us that we were going to let go of this stock at that point in time. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'll be doing. As you guys can see, we have that white shaded line that came in on the 1 minute chart, came back down and gave us that sell pressure and has been continuing on down since then, because again, you guys can see we have the EMA lines that are also below the MACD, showing us that we may continue on down going to tomorrow. But again, that is the 1 minute chart. That is how that one played out today. So I wanted to really show you guys that because you guys can see here we did have that decrease in sell pressure, showing us that we may continue with the EMA lines above the MACD. And again, when you have major runners like INDP and they do consolidate here on the 50-day moving average and do not cross below the 50-day moving average, you guys can see the 20-day moving average was above the 50 throughout the day, showing us that we may continue consolidated here and then had that continuation on that buy pressure here. Again, very much on the watch when you guys do see that decrease in sell pressure in my opinion. And also on the 5 minute, I'm going to go over exactly how this one may play out going into tomorrow, but again, has been on quite the run and not exactly expecting too much. As you guys can see, we have the 20 moving average that is crossing below the 50 at this point in time, showing us that we are having a lot of bearish momentum at this point in time. But again, I definitely was very, very happy about INDP today. Again, a 250% breakout from our alert that we had this morning on their news they had. Definitely a major gift today in the market and very blessed to have this major breakout. So again, and with that said, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of today, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert of it again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And all of you Instabulls that have been supporting the channel as well, I appreciate every one of you guys as well. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.